How do you use TikTok Collab feature? To use the TikTok Collab feature, first of all, launch the application itself, then tap on this plus icon and proceed to create a post. Once you have created your post, you simply have to go ahead and tap next, and once again tap next and head to the posting page. Once you're here, you simply have to go ahead and then tap on the more options from here, or simply find or locate the collaboration option over here. You should be able to find the invite collaborators option, or if you don't find it over here, you can use the TikTok Studio application. Once you use that application, you should be able to find the invite collaborators option. However, that application is not yet available on my region, but you simply have to search for that button itself, tap on it, and use the search bar to type the exact username of the creator you want to collaborate with. Then tap the done and complete your video description and hashtags, then tap post. And this is how you can use the TikTok collab feature. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.